Okay, welcome. Let us try this. Let us see how we can prove this identity. We have that sine square of x negative cosine of x minus 1 divided with 1 plus cosine of x is equivalent to negative cosine of x. Let's try this identity. So we know that when you are trying to prove, we have this sine. Know that sine square of a given angle plus cosine square of a given angle is equal to 1. So this implies that sine square of any given angle is equal to 1 negative cosine square of an angle. So this means in this one we are going to substitute this. We have 1 negative cosine square of x, negative cosine of x, which is this, then negative 1 divided with 1 plus cosine of x. When we combine like terms, automatically we see that this one and this one will simplify. What do we remain with? We remain with the negative cosine square of x, negative cosine of x divided with 1 plus cosine of x. So what can we do here? We can put cosine as a factor. Cosine of x as a factor. Negative cosine of x. We will get negative cosine of x a factor. We remain with the cosine of x here, then plus 1. We divide with 1 plus cosine of x. And when you look at this, this one is equal to this, which means we can simplify. So our identity is equal to negative cosine of x is equivalent to negative cosine of x. And this is proved. This is proved. This was question number A. So what about question number B? So for question number B, according to this proved identity, we have that to hence solve the equation this identity equal to 1 over 4 in the range, in the domain of 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 360 degrees. If you have seen that, when we are going to solve this, we have seen that this identity, this left side identity is equal to is equivalent to negative cosine of x, and also it is equal to 1 over 4. So simply, instead of writing the whole identity, we can only write negative cosine of x equal to 1 over 4. And then this means when you divide by negative both sides, you get that cosine of x is equal to negative 1 over 4. Negative here with a negative. And then this one is equal to, now our x is equal to cosine inverse of negative 1 over 4. Which angle do we have here? Okay, by a calculator we get cosine inverse of negative 1 divided by 4. Our x is equal to 104.47 or 0.5 degrees. Now, is this because you are solving in this range? We need to find another angle. When we are finding another angle, we consider this negative, and this negative means that the angle that we are finding is only the second and the third quadrant of the circle, because you are using the cosine.